Her hair, I did that. Beautiful, wonderful, amazing, one of a kind, absolutely stunning professional hairdresser while still in school.
Oh, Haley starts to drop these.
Green juice shot!
Ready? Steady?
Go. Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. She can't get it together.
Hey everybody, and welcome. Today's video is another edition of
Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter.
September Ipsy Glam Bag edition.
I meant to go like this, but
okay, hold on, I haven't gotten in my bag yet. But if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome to the Hotmess Express, where we always embrace it because it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we will be putting our September Ipsy Glam bags up to the test. Now, I lie on my profile. I do not say I'm 42. I say that I am 23. She keeps it real. She keeps it honest. She tells them she is 20.
yeah, buddy. How long have you been 23 for?
Like 4 years. Happy birthday to me.
I think it goes up as the years go.
Oh, so it literally, yeah. So I'm like
26.
27, even though my profile legitimately says 23.
Oh, I don't know. I probably still think I'm 17.
I don't know, but I'm like getting lost in the sparkle of her eyeballs. Do you guys see
I
that?
have to make up for having to wear a mask.
It looks good.
Again, mask, makeup, here.
Disclaimer.
Up only. Sorry.
Hey, check it out. Haley did my hair. It's rose gold with hints of purple, and I love it so much.
I don't know that.
You really did. Like,
I killed it.
don't, will that demonetize me?
No. I
Rocked it.
smashed it.
Yeah.
Just like you should too, to the like button. I got you.
That was so good. Good job, Haley. So I just want to give a huge shout out to HelloFresh because they just rocked my dinner tonight. Not sponsored or affiliated. However, I will leave a link down below that is a referral link. Oh my gosh. What was it even called? It was a
chicken taco.
Literally no chicken. Or a taco.
Pork wrap.
Haley almost nailed it. Okay, we're like 5 minutes in. Okay.
Let's get started.
This Ipsy bag is $12 a month. It is supposed to be profile based. Like I said, I fib.
Yeah,
Yep.
so it's $12 a month. It's a monthly subscription bag. It is supposed to go based off your profile. So yeah, let's get started. What, you wanna go first?
Oh, I was just gonna see if they ever took our advice and like pushed.
No way!
They did! Okay, so if you guys have been with us for a while, you know like every single flipping month, we gripe over the card. Matter of fact, our Plus bag, we were griping, that they don't put what we
product on the card
and the price of the item or a little.
So then you have to search through your app.
Yes, and guess what, guys?
It's on the card.
Woo! Are you listening, Ipsy?
I guess so.
That's awesome. Okay, go ahead and start. Add-ons?
Nope.
Me neither.
I don't think so.
I spent all my money at BoxyCharm.
Okay,
the
so
add-ons were amazing.
My first item, I chose this. It is the Shayna B Miami Contour Brush, and it retails for $23.
Shoot. I don't. Oh, I almost told a Haley. I don't know what I picked. Wait. I didn't pick this, but this is really cute. Look, I have the full size.
Is it good?
Actually, it is once it dried down. So this is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara.
You know, little baby too.
And it's really cute. It's pink, and of course, I forgot my phone, so I can't tell you which item I actually picked.
Then full size of this retails for $23, but this is a deluxe sample.
You know what? If I had to guess, I think this would have been what I picked. So this is a generation. Oh, okay.
It's your turn.
Well, I know, but you were smart, and I'm so used to not having prices for things. But you said it. So if I had to choose or guess what I chose, it would have been the Generation Clay Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask, because I want to say I have gotten these in the past and I liked them. And they have a retail value of $29.99 for the full size version of it. It says it's bursting with good for you ingredients like cacao, plum, not sure if I said that correctly. Apologize if I didn't. Vitamin A, vitamin E. This mask is the ultimate recipe for skin that glows. It helps stimulate collagen, reduce hyperpigmentation, deep cleanse pores, soothe redness, and protect your skin from harsh environmental aggressors.
Sounds pretty good.
I know, right? I think that's why I maybe potentially picked it. We're gonna say that I did.
My next item is the Real Her highlighter from Ultimate Glow Getter, highlight in the shade Goddess. It looks like this. Hopefully it's better with the
Is it like really firmly pressed?
I kind of feel it.
Okay, that's a shame. Do you remember?
It's like soft but like hard.
Yeah, you really gotta push. It's almost like there's a coating on there. Yeah.
Like I said, hopefully it'll
pretty.
be better with the brush, but it is a pretty color.
Yeah, you really got to push in there. But I got their, if you remember, was this Boxy Charm that I got the Real Her eyebrow pencil by chance? Do you remember? I don't remember either.
I get in any of my bags.
Well, I flippin' love it. Like, love it. Okay, so my next item is the same as Haley. It's the Professional Hydrate Primer. I actually like this. I do have it in full size. The full size is $32. It says, with your busy life, a good primer like this oil-free formula is key to fresh, long-lasting looks. It creates a barrier between your skin and your foundation to prevent oils from wearing down your makeup and hydrate your skin for up to 12 hours with hyaluronic acid. Do you like this?
I've never tried the hydrate version.
No?
I love the regular.
Yeah, I know you like the original.
I would like to say I did forget to tell you the full size price of this is $28. My highlight.
Okay. Go ahead. Your next item?
Oh, you can go first.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so my next item is the Hey Honey Trick or Treat CC Active Moisturizing Cream with honey and propolis.
That
light
stuff is
to medium
it the concealer?
tone. It doesn't say it is. It just says it's a CC.
Oh, CC. Okay, CC cream.
For days you want to sleep in, the CC cream is the one-step wonder for even glowing skin. Swap your go-to foundation for the skin-soothing formula. Helps to calm rosacea, redness, irritation using honey and this propolis, both packed with skin-healing, anti-inflammatory benefits. $38 for the large full size. Yeah. What's yours?
My last item is this rejuvenating mask by Evo Beauty Skin Rejuvenating Mask. So this says it's a 15-minute mask hitting the reset button on your complexion. It nourishes, hydrates, and rejuvenates skin for a seriously dewy glow. It uses hemp seed oil, a natural source of fatty acids and antioxidants, to heal dry damaged skin and reduce sensitivity. So that's pretty cool. And the full size of this retails for $22.
You know what, I fibbed. I remembered. I think it was the Pixie by Petra I actually picked.
Okay. I saw it on there and I was wondering if you would. Because there's a couple different.
Does it say?
No.
Oh. Well, this is the Pixie by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pen Bronze Beam. For a retail value of $12, and I do like this. So I always get thrown off though because it's like mint down here, and I'm always like, ooh, that's gonna be so pretty, and then I'm like, but it's not. What are your thoughts?
I like my bag. I'll actually use everything in it. I definitely prefer these kinds of masks rather than sheet masks. Sheet masks make me so cold. Today I walked outside and I was freezing.
Yeah, there was a chill. It was like, oh my gosh,
even when I left school, I was freezing cold. I'm excited about the brush. I love brushes because I hate cleaning them. Primer, I'm super excited to try this because I get pretty dry skin, especially in the wintertime. And I love the Professional primer so much so that I try not to use it as much as possible because I don't want to use all of it and have to buy more because it's expensive. And I like the highlighter, so hopefully it will work better with the brush. Mascara samples, love that. And I already talked about the mask. And I like the bag because it's cute and yellow and looks like a pretty fall
It does look
sweater.
fall. You know what? I really like my bag too. So when it comes down to it,
I think we tied.
Yeah, I would definitely say we tied. I mean, I think this is going to be the real her. I think it's going to be a really pretty highlighter.
Yeah.
With
and
a brush.
If it's not great, like super potent glam highlighter, could be a cute little inner corner or
yeah,
natural highlighter. So.
And like I said, with the Big Ego Tarte mascara, I didn't like this right away. I had to let it like sit, because once it, let me know, because this was one that we received in a subscription a while back, but now that it dried down some, it's like the wand actually grips your lashes and leaves things behind. So that I definitely changed my mind about once it dried up. But overall, I actually really like my bag. I'm pretty excited about it. And you know, you guys know with my Ipsy Plus, I was kind of like, are you kidding me? You can only be so much of a bronze goddess.
You did pick one bronzer, to be fair, after seeing that you were being sent two.
No.
You picked two, I'm sorry.
So what, then they should have known. They should have been like, this girl's on something, so we should give her this.
You chose two.
One was cream, one was powder. I was gonna
you
set.
saw you were being sent one.
No, I did not. It did not show me I was being sent one. It said, hey, Rhonda, choose. And I was like,
but if you look, it shows you
my options were hideous. Period. Anyways, guys, let us know down below, how was your Ipsy bag? Do you get Ipsy? If you are wanting to sign up for Ipsy, I do have a referral. It's not an affiliation or anything with Ipsy, but I do have a referral link to sign up if you guys are interested in signing up. And if you do decide to sign up, make sure to, you know, take your referral link and put it out on Facebook or whatever with your friends. So if they sign up using your referral link, it's points. Yeah, it's just like Rakuten. If you sign, oh god, if you don't even get me started. Rakuten
is hard to pronounce.
It's not, but you make money. You make money sharing that referral link. You don't have to be affiliated. It's amazing. Anyways, guys, that is everything. There is still a giveaway going on my Instagram right now as we film. Make sure to check the description box down below for that, as well as in the comments section. And jump over there, give me a follow, give me a like. I greatly appreciate it. You guys know I'm trying to get to 10K over on our Instagram. Trying to bust out some 30K over here on YouTube. So if you want to subscribe, that would be nice. Please. The end.
And we'll see you next time. We hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, have a wonderful, beautiful and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.
By the way, my outfit is from Rosie Days, aka Casey Holmes.
Oh, really?
It is.
Oh.
Isn't it cute and cozy?
Feels good.
Yeah. It's a crop top though, so we could live without that.
It wasn't cropped when you were standing earlier.
It was.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah.
But you could only see the top of the shorts.
It's well, I bought it like a size too big, so I was hoping. Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys.